Yo guys, I'm with JJ. You can go check out his TikTok. We're gonna check out the almost finished map, the construction site. Everything is completely done. Like most of the things are fully vamped right now. Like everything has more details. They also added lights everywhere, as you can see down here. And also they've also added some more details to. They added some more containers where it used to be that you spawn so close to the boundary thing, right? They fixed that problem, and they also fixed some containers. They put some containers there, over there too. So right now the map's really good, and me and JJ wants to 1v1 for the best of 3, right? Where are you? No, I missed. No, I was like, come here. That was a good Chinori. Oh no, one more, best of 3, best of 3. Come on, wherever you are. I see you down there. Oh, shucks. I don't like all the stuff you're doing. You can't get me. Wait, what? What are you doing? Oh, you hit me with a rock spike jutsu.
Yeah.
Come on, come here. Oh, who's gonna win this? Who's gonna win it? I see you down there. Yes! GG. Okay, it was fun making the vid with you, JJ.